What up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and pan out one of these GPAA bags that they give you, these training bags. Well, when I re-signed up again this year, they sent me one of these. They actually sent me two of them. I gave one to the missus, which I'll let her pan, but just out of curiosity's sake, I thought I'd pan one of these down and show you guys what we get out of it. I won't show you panning it, and I'm sitting here single-handed, but we'll go ahead and get it panned down and see how much gold's in one of these bags. Feels pretty heavy, so just out of curiosity, I figured I'd film it, let you guys all see it. There might already be videos online, I haven't looked, but it's pretty cool that they send you some gold to try out with. But gonna go ahead and give it a test, and then we'll get back to it when we get done. So here it is, and before I go any further, I'll show you guys after it gets dried out. But there's quite a few nice little pieces in there. Quite a few pieces you could probably pick up or poke up with your finger. I mean, not bad. And I have to say that whatever material they used here, it's super soft without a lot of black sand in it. I'm always used to cleaning up after running sluices and things like that, where you get a lot of black sand. It's a lot harder to pan. This took about a whole 2 seconds to pan down to get down to that. So I'm gonna go in the house, grab a sniffer bottle, start sniffing it up. I'll get it cleaned up the best I can. And I'm doing it in my black pan with surfactant in it, some jet dry. So all of this will get saved, and I'll throw it with the black sands from all the other missions, and we'll put it in the gold cube when we get all done and have enough to run for more than 2 seconds. And see what leftover gold's in that. I'll do a video on that later, but there it is. That's the GPAA Gold Prospecting in America free bag they give you, or the training bag. One of these bags should have a expensive gold nugget in it, or a bunch of them. They've been handing them out, especially if you subscribe or sign up to be a member between September and I think October. So yeah, not bad. Quite a bit of gold. I'll show you guys a dried up and cleaned out video after I get it all out of the pan. Well, there it is. Starting to dry out in the sun. I mean, there's quite a bit of gold here. Let me see if I get out of the shadow. There's quite a bit of gold here. I'm not going to put it on a scale, though. I don't got time. But this is give you a good example of what you're going to get out of one of those sample packs, or the starter kit, test kit, whatever they want to call it. Does pretty good chunks of gold in there. A lot of pointers, or pokers and pickers is what we like to call them. So for all those wondering why there's no comment section on the videos, this is something me and my family do, and we don't really need all the derogatory comments. I got kids that watch this stuff, so just to keep all the haters off, you guys could either take this advice for what it is and go try out the places, see if you get the same results, better results, or not. You know, I'm documenting this for me and my family, so as we move along through Oregon, prospecting different places, I figured I'd share it with you. These are all public lands. These aren't private lands. People should be excited to go pan and look for gold like this. So, you know, we're trying to maybe inspire another person to go get into the hobby. Other than that, you know, I get enough advice from everybody around me, so I'm fortunate. I know Mike and Pat Keene real well, and I get to hang out with Frank Peck from Peck's Mining Company. We get real big gold. We don't record a lot of it because it's private claims, and people don't want other people to know what's all going on over there. So other than that, I appreciate you guys checking out the video, and whoever drops those thumbs and subscribes, appreciate it. We'll be catching you guys in the next one. We're heading to River Bend on the Sandy Am again, a little higher up. Show you guys what that park looks like. But until then, good luck prospecting, and may all your guys' pans have gold in it. Later.